Okay, today we're going to be installing a touchless bathroom faucet. So here's a make and model I'll be installing today. This video is not a paid promotion for any particular product you see in the video. It includes the stainless steel supply lines, the control module, an AC adapter, the manual mixing valve, and of course the touchless faucet itself. Manufacturer is called Waterloo. There's a part number there. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So this one's has a chrome finish. There's your AC adapter, so if you have a GFCI outlet, you can plug it into one of those. We're not using that today, we're using this battery powered control. And it comes with the batteries, which is nice. I did some pre-assembly. You can see I installed the little T and the mixing valve that mixes the hot and cold water right there. They also have one-way check valves. And simply by turning that valve or that little handle, you can add more hot or cold water temperature coming out of your faucet. Here's a supply line that connects to the faucet. There's the power cable. This only plugs in one way. There's two little white arrows you need to line up. Comes with the mounting hardware. So this is a 4-inch center set faucet for a bathroom. So before to start the installation, let's be sure to shut off the water, both hot and cold. And we'll be installing new supply lines today. So a little pre-assembly. Go ahead and stick the cord and that supply line down through the sink or the countertop. Center it, line it up. So now underneath the sink, it comes with the mounting hardware. Pretty self-explanatory. You gently tighten the nuts down. That'll secure the faucet to the countertop. You could run a bead of clear silicone sealant around the entire bottom perimeter of the faucet underneath that black rubber seal. That's up to you as a best practice. Don't over tighten the nuts. And then we're going to mount the battery power controller to the wall. So you can see the two white arrows there. That's how you plug the plug in and then gently tighten it down to hold it in place. And then we'll go ahead and install the supply hose that will go up to the faucet, like so. Next, we'll install the hot and cold water supply lines to our shutoff valves. Snug them up with a wrench. And then we'll connect the other end of the hot and cold water supply lines to that mixer valve. Hot on the left, cold on the right. That's how it looks when it's completely installed. So hot and cold water come into the mixing valve through the control box or the control valve up through that single hose that feeds the faucet. So let's test it out. Obviously I've turned the water back on, purge any air, should be good to go. Woo! I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.